Understanding, I need some rest. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, I need some rest. This is a common expression in English, often used in everyday conversations. Understanding not just the words, but also the context and subtle meanings behind them, is crucial for English language learners. So, let's dive in. I need some rest might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. Let's break it down. I refers to the speaker. Need indicates a requirement or necessity. Some is a bit vague. It doesn't specify how much rest is needed. Rest means a period of relaxation or sleep, especially after work or exertion. Understanding when to use I need some rest is key. It's typically used 1. When feeling tired or exhausted, after a long day of work or activity. 2. To politely decline invitations, if someone invites you to an event, but you're too tired. 3. Expressing a need for a break, during work or any activity that requires a lot of energy. In different cultures, the concept of resting can vary. In English-speaking cultures, it's common to prioritize rest and self-care. People might use this phrase to set boundaries and take time for themselves. It's also a polite way to express the need to be alone or undisturbed. There are other ways to express the need for rest. I'm worn out, more informal, indicating extreme tiredness. I could use a break, a lighter way to say you need some time off. I'm going to hit the hay, an informal and idiomatic way to say you're going to sleep. Understanding phrases like, I need some rest, is about more than just the words. It's about grasping the context, culture, and subtle nuances of the language. I hope this video helps you in your journey of English language learning. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next lesson. And don't forget to take some rest.